Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series X, then place it on a non-static mat. You want clear access. Use a T10 Torx and a flat plastic pry tool as your primary tools. First, slide off the base stand if attached, then pry the rubber feet gently to expose the screws. Make sure to keep screws in a labeled tray. Once done, remove the visible Torx screws on the bottom to start separating the outer shell. Once the bottom screws are out, you lift the top shroud with firm, even pressure to avoid snapping clips. Work along the seam and pry where needed. You will see ribbon cables and metal brackets. Make sure to disconnect ribbon cables by unlocking their latches before pulling. Remove the internal Torx screws securing the drive and bracket. Keep track of lengths. If a component resists, double-check for hidden screws rather than forcing it, because connectors and clips are delicate. You finish by carefully removing the target component, whether SSD bracket or fan, tracking connector orientation and screw positions for reassembly. When putting parts back, reverse the steps. Reconnect ribbons, replace internal screws to their original holes, and press the shroud down until clips click. Make sure the base stand and rubber feet are reattached. If the console fails to power, check that all cables are fully seated. Verify no screws are missing from grounding points, and confirm you didn't leave any connector latched open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.